nation celebrate its birthday.
Go jalan-jalan, all the old buildings.
精益求精
It's home.
Sate bihun.
What does Singapore's National Day mean to you?
Hi, I'm Rana. I'm staying in Singapore from the last 21 years with my family, my wife and my kid. Although I am PR, I love Singapore. I love to celebrate Singapore's National Day. This is the day we enjoy a lot.
Our National Day, to me, it signifies that we are a sovereign country, independent and sovereign country. That's what.
新加坡国庆日是我们独立的日子，一个意义深重的日子了。
That is the day that Singapore gained independence. But I think for us youngsters, it doesn't really hold such great importance. Yeah.
What?
So it's just the day that Singapore gained independence. And yeah, that's a lot.
National Day, basically, it is just another holiday for me. It's also a celebration as my identity as a Singaporean.
Well, it means the nation celebrates its birthday. It's a day of pride, and it's a proud day for many Singaporeans.
How do you celebrate Singapore's National Day?
We go jalan-jalan, we go to our favorite places like Bugis, Little India, Marina Bay, Gardens by the Bay and Esplanade.
So I celebrate Singapore's National Day by usually watching the NDP parade at home.
看国庆日。
Watch the National Day parade. Usually that's what I do.
Well, since it's a public holiday, I will go out, have a walk, spend the day outside, maybe catch a movie. Maybe stay at home. Well, it all depends on the weather.
If I can get tickets for National Day, I would happy to attend the parade. That's what I've done for many years. I'll just move around the Marina Bay area to view the fireworks and to soak in the fanfare, and also go for a nice local meal at the end.
Which national symbols or landmarks represent Singapore the best, in your opinion?
The Merlion.
鱼尾狮
The Merlion represents Singapore the best.
NBS
Marina Bay, Gardens by the Bay.
With Gardens by the Bay and Sentosa.
City Hall, the Padang just opposite the City Hall.
So the next question is, how do you feel that Singapore has progressed since gaining independence?
This was a mud flat, swamp. Today, this is a modern city. 10 years from now, this will be a metropolis. Never fear.
And I'll say it's an exponential progress because from such a small country, we have brought in multiple industries and our economy is booming and the government takes good care of us as well.
The physical appearance, the first thing that comes to my mind. All the old buildings has been demolished. Therefore, you're talking about the infrastructure, the economy, innovation.
It's amazing to see Singapore's growth. The countries who got independence before 1965 also did not improve that much. In this multiracial society, it's the government push and improvement is amazing to see and amazing to be part of it.
觉得是进步神速，新加坡一直在精益求精当中，然后这些年走过实在不容易，但是政府的领导有方。
Well, Singapore has progressed tremendously. It is now a developed status. It is one of the third foreign exchange financial centers in the world, and its GDP per capita is around US 91,000, which is quite a feat for a young country like Singapore.
90% of Singaporeans own their own homes. We have a very safe environment that is due to the competency of a very capable law enforcement advancement. The economy has been doing very well. The literacy rate since independence has gone up very high.
How do you think the idea of accepting everyone regardless of their race has influenced the way Singaporeans think and our overall culture?
Malays 43%, Malays Dayak Dusun Murus, Chinese 41%, Indians 10%, the others, Eurasians, Ceylonese and so on. And I say we got to work with each other. No group can oppress the other. We work together. And you want...
We, the citizens of Singapore, pledge ourselves as one united people, regardless of race, language or... Brilliant.
What are some local foods that you would recommend to a friend visiting Singapore?
Of course, there are usual hawker foods, for example, the Hainanese chicken rice, Hokkien Mee and such. Yeah, so far.
I would recommend the Malay dish of mee soto, the Chinese dish of satay bihun, the Indian dish will be roti prata, and one more is, it can be a mix of all the races actually, is rojak.
因为我本身自己很喜欢吃海南鸡嘛，特别喜欢的就是文东记，这个是要介绍给外国的朋友来肉骨茶，而且它有很多小小的配菜啊，很好的一道平民美食也是。
Whoever comes to visit from India, who's my friend, I tell them to try nasi lemak. Nasi lemak is one of the local food you must try. Laksa also don't forget to try. Definitely, as an Indian, I like Singapore chicken curry. In case of drinks, yes. Try bubble tea. Don't forget to try it.
Recommend them to try satay or chicken rice.
That would be chili crab. You can also try our chicken rice. Char kway teow is fried noodles, and also the carrot cake, which is a favorite pastime among Singaporeans.
If you could describe Singapore in one word, what would it be and why?
形容新加坡，我想精益求精。新加坡从1965年开始到现在，一直在进步当中。这4个字最适合形容新加坡。
I would describe Singapore as being dynamic. This has to do with Singapore being a multicultural society, business hub, food paradise, and connected to the international markets. There's no other word, dynamic.
It's very cosmopolitan. We have people of various nationalities from all over the world. There has been an inflow of many types of food that makes it very cosmopolitan.
It will be comfort. They are all safe as well as comfortable in this clean city.
To me, Singapore is a place in the sun where there is peace, harmony, and order for everyone.
Stunning and simple little Singapore. You have to see after the independence the growth which they have achieved. I believe no other country has achieved. Why scintillating? You can see Singapore shining as a dot. That makes it a scintillating country.
What are your hopes and aspirations for Singapore's future?
一直昌盛、繁荣，后代能够塑造更好的。
Allows the students in school to be more enhanced on their creative side.
Or keeps doing what they are doing and achieving the same result.
Peace, harmony, and certainty for a good future.
Hold its racial harmony.
To work together towards the success of Singapore as a...
Do you have any favorite NDP songs?
Count on me, Singapore.
Count on me, Singapore.
It has been a year of great and sudden change. Very few countries in the world go through the kind of climacteric we have gone through.
Singapore.
Stand up for Singapore.
Thinks about this. Whoever governs Singapore must have that iron in him, or give it up. This is not a game of cards. This is your life and mine. I've spent a whole lifetime building this. And as long as I'm in charge, nobody's going to knock it down.
Stand up for Singapore. Do the best you can.
英 印象深刻的就是家。
It's home because that's the only song that can come.
Singapore, home.
Whenever I am feeling low, I look around me and I know there's a place that will stay within me. Wherever I may choose to go, I will always recall the city, know every street and shore, sail down a river that brings us life, winding through my Singapore. This is home, truly, where I know I must be, where my dreams wait for me, where that river always flows. This is home, surely, as my senses tell me, this is where I won't be alone, for this is where I know it's home.
Happy birthday, Singapore!
新加坡生日快乐，加油！
Yeah. So pro. Well done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Can I show them egg?
You and the bird behind you. Why is this bird there? I have to go close. I'm very curious. Huh? Really?
National Day personally to me is应该是 so
A bit noisy. Okay, we retake. Okay, one more time. Okay, ready?
handphone activate lah.
Okay, ready?
tak.
If you could describe Singapore. Yeah, okay, balik I ask again. Okay, Ken,
Okay.
are you happy with the shots?
You are happy, I am happy.
Thank
We will
you.
edit, definitely, there are a lot of all these things are there need to be edited. For the different parts, sorry, stunning and scintillating Singapore. That's it, right?
Why?
Acha. Why? I have written why also.
In your own words, why?
Have I written something?
You 马来朋友啊，
对，有啊。
有印度朋友啊，你会怎么看待他们？
觉得我们是新加坡人，都是从小都会在这样的环境中长大。然后是不分种族的
所以你可以讲多一次，讲多一次。